It seems to be a very simple, unfortunately, error of misreading the label.
The error occurred at HSA's DNA profiling laboratory last year, when it was discovered that a reagent of higher than usual concentration had been used in the test. The laboratory manager had misread the label and used a solution 10 times as strong as what it should have been. This reagent was used as part of the DNA testing process for about 10 months before the error was discovered, despite lab tests being audited during those months.
Because the performance tests are done with normal or what you call high-level DNA samples. So we tested the performance. What we did not test, and this is a gap that we are now going to plug, we did not test the concentration of the reagents used. This is where there was a gap, and this is why it continued for this period of time without anyone realizing it.
But HSA says the scientific impact of this is minimal. That's because the use of the reagent would not have resulted in false positives, leading to the wrongful identification of a person. The main implication is with the low-level DNA sample, such as DNA from hair and skin.
The lowered sensitivity of the reagent might result in failure to detect a person who was present. However, from our internal study and the external experts' assessment, this is likely to occur in less than 5% of samples.
The Attorney General's Chambers has reviewed the 412 criminal cases that were affected by this incident. Of these, 87 of the 134 ongoing cases will undergo retesting. The AGC said in these cases, the DNA test results may be relied upon by the prosecution, the defense, or the courts. But the accused persons in the other cases that are ongoing can request retesting. Since the incident, HSA Lab now purchases pre-prepared reagents. A committee has been set up to review this incident. They will take a look at HSA's operating procedures, systems, and also make recommendations to ensure that something like this won't happen again. The committee is expected to release its report after the retesting of DNA samples is completed by March.